on, man. Some man if you just keep on them out, do it this, do it that, do it that, do it this. Hello? I second tell the person you know. I'm younger than me. Do you younger than me? Me 55, you know. Remember me 55. So what I go say to me say? Me have an excuse for doing for everything. Because when I beat Dewey, that me I tell you, so when I beat Dewey, me not understand why I beat him so. I go shame. I second time this time me do one live and tell you so I go shame. First time me tell you no, I know the shame. I know the shame. Me tell you so I go shame. Me tell you. No, me go just look so because me top guy dance and me not in a night cola. You know me not smoke and me not drink. Like that. You know, as me come in from work, me come and that's it. Drink tea, soup, whatever it me did and go to my bed. We no expect him to do no. We no expect him to do. You see the letter with the letter with power of attorney, I feel the mother sign whatever, but doing him on the panic, so I wonder why did he sign the letter? But me not understand that part of the letter. Because I know say, for your name upon something, you must sign it. You understand? So I respect him for what? For releasing the addresses. No, you see, addresses, maybe never
Hello?
must send enough for release.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Dewey mother. You see, I'm not a bagger person here, so I don't have no time for this because I'm at work.
Yeah.
The power of attorney. She put her mom name on it and put my old address. So why you doing that? That's a fraudulent document. Because that's not where her mother live. So I tell Dwayne, don't sign no document. People talking, they don't know the half of this, you know.
Oh,
They don't know the half of this, you know.
okay.
I can't talk in my house to my son if she on her phone. She expects me must go out the door like me live somewhere for her. I don't live nowhere for her. If I get up in the morning and hear my son quarreling with she, me gonna ask him what the fuck him think is what happened. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this shit. This woman is such a wicked and lied woman because I try to help her in every way I can. The other day when she was supposed to come to America, I was the one who get the things prepared for her and send her to the embassy. She paid her money. I didn't pay no money for her. I paid the money for Dwayne to go to embassy to get his visa. And the same girl that I hook up Dwayne with is the same girl I hook her up with, right? Dwayne get her visa. She don't get her visa because she had 29 felony. You hear me tell you, girl? Girl, me a decent girl. Me a decent mother for my picking. You hear me tell you? And me a fight for my picking. Me buy my house and me put him on it. No boy and no girl can't take him out of that. You hear me tell you, Jojo? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's a whole heap of thing to this, you know. Can me talk to her mother and her brother yesterday, you know. And a whole heap of thing, you know, Jojo. A whole heap of things that she did upon the acquired crocodile tears and I come and tell lie. The mother says she no get no threat.
Oh, God.
Oh, the mother called me yesterday and tell me, say, Odette, me no get no threat. I lie, the girl tell for me picnic. You hear me? There's a lot of things to this, you know.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, darling. Okay.
So, everybody wants to talk and say doing this and doing. If doing did want things from Queenie, don't you would have stay?
Yes, that's what I keep telling people.
The man can't deal with certain things and just come out tight and do you love Queenie, you know? Do you love
All
Queenie,
right.
you know?
Me know. But some of them not see it. Me know. Because he not a divorce long time. And he not do no divorce.
She never said no. Look here, Queenie have my right address where I used to live when I live with my husband. She have the right address. So here what she did now. She put 41 Webster Street. I don't care. 41 Webster Street, and she put a different town instead of she put Newington. She put a different town. So it didn't come to us. It went to Meriden. I don't live in Meriden, right? She sent back for the address and we send her the right address. My husband said to me the other day, oh, you say papers are come here for doing and I don't see no papers. You understand? And I said to him, I don't know. She said she was going to send papers. No papers came here, right?
Yeah.
So Miss online now says she get back it because she sent the divorce and it don't come true. Please, stop telling lies, man. Stop telling lies. I don't have no time to. I didn't send for Dwayne because when I meet Queenie 2020, I was coming up in October 2020, and I see her coming down my pathway, and she run. When she see me, and when me say, oh, that Queenie, she turned back and she said, oh, you're nice, you're a little bit nice and tall here. She was embarrassed to see that me as a big, she come and take my little 34-year-old Queenie, and she a big old 54-year-old woman. You see, so she run and hide. And I went away. When I went away, and when I was up there, Dewey send me a ring, say I go marry the woman. And me said to him, say, you sure you want the woman? You go married to woman. Me no cook up nothing with this woman nor nothing. Me no know nothing about Obia dirty people that pan line at about me. I work Obia pan doing. What the wait pan Queenie? What the fuck Queenie have when me I go work Obia pan her for? A 3 year me come here, me own a house and me own a car when me don't pay for. You hear me tell you, girl? Me 3 years me dey here and me own a house and me own a car. And she make Dewey no dey pan filing like me next son because she married Dewey and me in a file for her. Okay. So people don't know the half of the story, you know. You see them me call her mother, cry, you know, I water, you know. And say the lies them with Queenie tell pan Dewey, you know. Girl, you don't know the half of this thing, you know. I don't know why this woman so bitter against this man, you know. If the man don't want you, move on, brother. Move on because of your dirty ways, brother. Oh, you go tell man, say man lock up in a room and fuck with him mother. Eh? I expect the man to respect you. Oh, you go tell him man to go suck out, kiss out, what? Suck out him mama thinking pussy and expect the man to go respect you. Huh? Tell me now. Liad, how much years of this me I carry, you know? How much years of this, you know? Me left here Jamaica. Me come a foreign with it, do and come here with it same way. You understand what me I say? Me tired of it with them. She feel leave me alone. The power of attorney where she write is my address upon it. That's why I said it's a fraudulent document because it's not the mother address. It's my address. And I tell him, don't sign it.
Okay.
I tell him, don't sign it. And why would you want to tie yourself to somebody who you and them not together? Why you want to do that to yourself? She just said, do you make she lose her house? Which house? Did she get the house? You can't get the house unless the two on sign together. She never get no house. So which house do you make she lose? I'm tired of this now, man. Girl, me come here and me work my ass off as she say me a clean shit. I don't fucking cares. I work for what I want and I own a house. You understand me? And I own a fucking car, which is mine, not the bank. And my credit score is 830. I can get anything I want to achieve here in the United States of America. I could file for doing because I come here, when I come here, you have to have 2 years W-2 before you can file for anybody. You understand me? It's 2022. I put in my next son and I couldn't file for doing because I wasn't gonna file for her.
Oh, okay.
I tried to help her to come here the other day because I tried to put in the paper. Me even try to sit down with the woman and make sure answer the question. Then when me think then would have asked her. So me bad mind. me bad mind. Hey, a whole heap of things when me don't want to talk, you know. It's a whole heap of things when me don't want to talk, you know. She have
Okay.
to go to England every day she beat him. Every day she beat him. Me know me on me me them call me on the phone already. And when she call me on the phone, she have the fucking knife fi go stab up Dewey in the house and Dewey have to hold the two Dutch pot fi go club her with it. And me have to cry and I tell the woman say, don't stab him, don't stab him. Just because she buy Dewey one phone and Dewey take with the phone. She take with the phone from Dewey and Dewey take with it. It's a whole heap of things to this, you know. The mother cried to me yesterday, you know. Sorry, mama. But what she name BJ, but me have to talk, say me and you talk yesterday. Because if your mother favor come talk, you see lady. Oh God, the internet. Oh, remember tell her. If your mother ever talk, the things them, the internet pop up. You understand me? So me know want Queenie go on like say, yeah, she look here, me not have no time to hurt nobody, and me not want nobody tell no lie for me pitney, so me pitney send mother threat, you know, because the mother called me yesterday and I cry, you know, and I say, Adette, why you call my phone? I cry here, cry, you know, and she said, I didn't want to talk, you know, but I see my daughter telling lie on your son. Hey, lady, I truly don't know, you know, man. I never want to come on this thing, you know. I see you, I see the thing coming and coming, but I'm at work. And me say, you know me now, but Dewey call me a while ago and say if me want go on it, go. Right?
Okay.
It's a lot of things to this, you know. The man saying done, man. Let him go now, man. Let him go. You beat him, go, you beat him. Come on, my son and my eye water. You pitching on me pitty face. And me not say nothing. Me leave it alone. You understand? You beat him, go, you beat him. Come, me leave it alone. You tell him, say me and him a fuck. Me leave it alone. You understand? If you boy now, he better sleep 4 o'clock a morning, you call on him phone, and if you no answer, you tell him saying they with short woman there. Which part him fi go get woman and I write on my yard in there? Eh? Look here now, man.
Okay.
People don't know the off, and I don't care who want to say whatever. Me is not a bad mother, not a bad mother, cause I try to help Queenie to come here. You understand me? And if she did come here, I feel me how she would have stayed till when she ready to go back her yard. Or wherever she would have want to stay. You understand? And she don't get it because the people them ask her for the what you call it something name now? The felony them where she get the people them ask her for the cancellation or the whatever. What the fuck it was name? I don't even know. That's why she never get it. You understand?
Okay. No, may I get the two sides of the
Yeah,
story now.
it's a whole heap of things to this thing. People don't go up on the internet go ball for people sorry for them. Me no want nobody sorry for me for me not look no friend for nobody. Me have me money and me work me money and me take me early retirement and me get me millions and me come a United States of America. So me no want nobody feel like say me no saw soap neither, you know. Oh, anything them can do, me can do it too. Okay.
You know,
But
waste time. 3
you
years
know,
in America, you buy a house.
3 year me there, baby love. And me buy a house, a 3-bedroom house. Upstairs and downstairs with a click go under my garage. Click it down and go upstairs. Me not see people and people not see me. You understand me? I do and come and make people know say me live there because I pay music do and play when him there my yard. And he can do anything in shit, in piss, in yam, anything he want do, brother, my yard. No girl, no let if he come say, hey, you can't do this and you can't do that and you can't do anything you want to do on my yard. You understand? And doing in my house a talk, and if me no like it, he might talk too hard, and me no like it, you go say, oh, you hear me on phone, and on my house me inna. Me no know if you do in my house me inna. And do and you in a argument so early in the morning. Me get up to go my work. And you go tell me say me no fi talk. And that bring the argument, to, why me and she no really deal, When me live at the first house, she come out one morning and out there with her out of order self and a babe and a god. And me next son take the phone and said to me, say, Mommy, listen how the lady are going in the front of the yard. And I call her and I said to her, me text her, me say, Queenie, you can't behave so in the front of me yard, because me have police, neighbors, me have people who go outside, them are Christian. And she tell me some word and hang up the phone. And from that, me and Queenie don't deal, You understand me? So she especially come on my yard, can do as she like. I mean, if she say nothing.
Okay.
So when she done, she can't go done me because she don't know fuck about me. All she can do is talk. It's 2 times I ever see that woman. You understand me? 2 times. Me no walk and thief nothing for nobody as according to she. You understand me? Okay. So that's her problem. I don't care. Me don't talk. I me just want you. Just leave me picking alone now. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. She said, if Dewey did hear me when I put in the divorce in December, and Dewey, because he get the visa. And if I love the woman, making him really tell her, say, he get the visa, And so he gonna draw back the divorce papers them. Or else he would have getting divorced long time. You understand me? So
Okay.
me no want nobody come talk about doing an opportunist. What the fuck opportunist? When have? More than fly up and down pan plane and sit. When have? Nothing. But the 3 visa them. And I miss him go embassy go get the last one. So all who kill up themselves and a galang. Doing that Canada, and me pay Airbnb for him stay Canada. For the 3 months him there. You hear me? I don't want nobody can go and like say a Queenie did a pay this and a Queenie did a pay that. And mommy do that. You understand? Since he come
But,
America and him a take plane and mommy do that. And no Queenie money I do it. So me don't want people sit down and talk about doing an opportunist and doing that. What the fuck him have if saying and get out of that? More than fly up and down. Eh?
so the divorce paper, are you encouraged you if you put it in the first time?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. When he tell Dewey and how him figure suck out him big thinking mama a pussy and how him figure hey lady,
Me don't care
look here now.
what nobody wants to. Me do that for my son too. So me do everything for my son too. So that's how you go.
I don't care what nobody wants say. I'm my picking. I'm my picnic. When me see how this big old woman sit down and a deal with the picnic. Look here, lady, me a 58-year-old and she a 54.
I'm
And girl,
55 this year, my age group.
all it
But
to them was you put
she
her.
said somebody take picture of one pot and come here. Was that did that happen as well?
What kind of pot?
Pad, napkin, sanitary
Yes,
napkin.
my next son. Okay. I hear she talk about water bill. She said give me £100. The £100 she give pay the water bill because 3 times a day she don't have me yard a bed. She a bed, she a use light, she a use internet and nobody need contribute no money. And me stand from foreign and pay me bills. You hear me tell a lady? Me stay from foreign and pay my bills. Right? The pad now. One she must have left a blood up pad in the bathroom. It's a blood up pad. And my next son step in it and him take the picture and send it come give me and say, Mommy, me can't take no more of this when them people there leave me place. You understand?
Okay.
All right. So as a year pick me now and he pick the tip in a blood up pad, what you woulda do?
Okay.
There's a
That's
whole
true
heap of
now.
things to this thing when nobody not talk, A whole heap of things to this thing. Me never hate the woman. Me never yet the woman, me just never approve of no marriage. I mean, and furthermore, me did just come a foreign. So me then I got left come down for come and nobody marriage. Cause that not
Oh, so you,
interest
you, you
me.
never did for a long time. You did just gonna
Then,
find when the marriage go on.
yeah, and 2020 me come up here.
Okay.
That's why do you no file for already. And when me realize doing go marry the woman and me couldn't file for doing again. You understand? I remember you when you come here, you have to work 2 years. I have 2 years W2 for sure. Say you work and you can afford to pick them when them come here.
Oh, okay.
And next year me I go for me citizenship. You understand me, girl? So I like me sit down here a long time, everybody a talk about why Dewey mother never file fee, man, why Dewey mother never that, why please. Me sick and me tired of it now, man. Give me a break. Me work hard for what me want. Me no run in a store and run out a store and thief nobody things. You hear me tell you? Me work hard. When me have try get me house, me have problem. Because the people them say, 3 year me there, oh me a buy house already. Them and gather them up and show them. And none of me money when me have a Jamaica, me not touch by this. You hear me tell you? Oh.
Okay. All right, mommy. We hear everything.
There's a whole lot to this thing where she not talking. He pick me in her bed and can't sleep. She run up on him. All them thing there. If the mother fi talk the truth. And them see him want tell me say then glad me no sign no paper. Oh. That me I tell you. Eh?
Yeah.
What it's called?
Yeah.
Okay. You understand me? So me no business who want kill me. Me and the mother talk.